Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, you are welcome to our TV series, which is tagged 50 SBN, which stands for 50 simple businesses that you can do in Nigeria with little or no money. When I mean little or no money, I mean when you are broke. I mean, if you fall in the category of the I don't have money. These are things that you can engage in that can put food on your table, that can help you to pay good school fees, that can help you get a good apartment, that can help you to live your life normally. Yes, like I said, we have been treating over 40, 50 simple business. Today makes it the 40. We'll treat 5 today, makes it 45, and we're hitting 50. Like I told you two volumes ago, like the previous 2 volumes, that the next 3 volumes are going to be very, very sacred. They are going to be very, very strong. We have businesses that you won't even think about, that you will not understand, that you don't even know, that probably are staring at you in the eyes in your area, and you don't know people are making a whole lot of money doing it. That is what I was trying to tell people. That's what I'm trying to tell people. This is the volume 9, or the 9th volume. After this one is the 50th volume. We'll be revealing so many things. After the 50 simple businesses, we'll be bringing people who have made use, who have applied these volumes, these modules, these videos, and have been able to make their lives better. People who watch these videos, people and their testimonies. Very, very key. We'll be bringing it after our 50 simple businesses that you can do in Nigeria with little or no money. Before I continue, I want to introduce myself. My name is Mr. Usaodion Elvis Ahanon, popularly known as MC Miten. I'm a musician, I'm a comper, or an MC as you may call it, and a business entrepreneur. And let me tell you, these are not come and join me or come and do. No. Watch the videos, apply it to your very, very self, from your local area, from your immediate environment, and you will see the results. That is what we are saying. If you are looking for sharp thing, you want to do it now, and make no. It's not quick money. It's not quick fix. But we are just telling you some things that people use to make money around your area that you possibly do not know. I am telling you. Last week we talked about so many business, about 5 other businesses that you can do. And for those of you that are just joining us, if you did not watch last week's volume is still online. Go back to Miten Arts TV on YouTube, watch it, click subscribe. If the video was helpful to you, share. Leave us a comment. Leave us a question. You have a question to ask, you can leave it down below at the comment section, and we will respond to it seriously. Like I said, these are proven business models, proven business ideas that people have been using to make so much money, and a lot of people have turned landlords. A lot of people have become financially free. You know that situation where cost is no longer a problem. Like cost. Oh, we want to get something, and whoever you're sending on that errand do not really care about the cost, because it's really no longer a problem to you. I'm telling you, these are simple businesses that you can involve in, and that can make your life a whole lot more better. Thank you very much. This week we'll be treating another very, very simple business that you can do. 5 of the class of simple business that you can do that will put money in your pocket. You know, the most important thing is that when you're doing all these things, you are able to cash out. That is the most important thing. And if you are doing it and money is entering, don't forget to leave a testimony right at the comment section. Last week I got a call from somebody who told me, my brother, see what you told me, I'm beginning to regret. Why? What happened? He said, I have over 16 relatives abroad. And out of those 16 relatives, I manage about 6 of their buildings. Like 6 of their buildings. And I told him, by now you should be a very, very rich man. He said, no. He said, because I virtually contacted everybody who did that, and at the end of the day, just giving me stipends, small thing. Me myself don't even have anything I'm doing. You know what I told him? I told him, don't worry. You don't always cry about spilled beans. You understand? You don't always cry about spilled beans. You still have more other opportunities coming. Don't take a look at what you left. Look at what is lost. Don't take a look at what is lost. Take a look at what you have left, and put yourself together. Then you forge ahead. That is what I told him, and I hope that becomes very, very useful. I pray it becomes very, very useful for him. Please don't mind the cockerel or whatever that is really, really disturbing. Like I told you, our studio is still under construction, and because we are mandated to do this every Sunday, so we have to defy every hindrances to make sure that we bring it to you. So please don't mind the background noise. We'll try as much as possible to apply the noise while editing, but even if we don't, we are not able to do that perfectly. You listen to what is the main information. Thank you very much. So for today, we'll be treating number one for today. Wow. Sometimes most of these topics, when I start to jot them down, I look at them as very funny, but the fact is that people are doing it, and they turn millionaires doing it. That's why I'm bringing it up. I'm bringing it up for you today, so that you can also see another line of business that you can invest in when you don't have money. Number one for today is plumbing services. Plumbing services. I'm telling you, plumbing services. That is the mechanical part of every building. The mechanical part of every building. Yes, plumbing services. A whole lot of people might say, oh, how do you mean plumbing services? I mean plumbing services, yes. People are doing it and they become very, very rich doing it. I'm telling you. So, plumbing services, like I said, the mechanical part of every building. Yes. Those people you call plumber or plumber. Yes. Or people that connect water into your house. Those people that helps you they help you to fix your kitchen sink, your washing machine, your WC, your hot and cold water lining into the house, your borehole services, and so on. People who does that. Yes. Plumbing maintenance. Yes. A whole lot of them have turned into, they also sell sanitary wares. Sanitary wares like WC, like kitchen sinks. You know, I'm serious. You can also do all that and become a millionaire. Yes. Doesn't really need much. Like I said, it's 50 simple businesses that you can do with little or no money. So, doing plumbing business or becoming a plumber in Nigeria is also a lucrative job for somebody who don't have money. I'm telling you. And like I always tell people, most of all these things you can learn on YouTube. Yes. You can learn the basic principles on YouTube, and as you grow, you start to upgrade. I'm telling you. So, with plumbing services, those are the people who supply water into the house, who make sure the water system is running. The water, I don't know how to put it, the tap and the kitchen sink, the wash hand basin, the everything that has to do with water is functioning very, very well. And like I said, everything you do in this when you watch this 50 SBN is very, 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 very good, because people have been doing it. All these topics I'm bringing for you, people have been doing it. There's virtually anybody that is a landlord today that has never interfaced with a plumber. I'm telling you. So, if you are a young man, you are a young girl, and you are there, and you're thinking about what you can do that can really put food on your table, or that you can be doing regularly, then plumbing services is there. So wake up today and do something with it. I'm telling you. If you are out there and you are telling us, oh, there's no job, and right before your very eyes, you see people who call themselves plumber. You go around the street, you see, call for your plumbing services. They are there telling us there's no job. That is the job you're looking at. That is the job that is staring at you in the eye, that you are paying deaf ears. I'm telling you. So, subsequently, or whenever you go out there and see people say there's no job, tell them, have you tried plumbing services? Tell them, have you watched 50 SBN? That guy analyzed 50 simple things that you can do with little or no money. Just as with plumbing, it also requires a training services. You have to acquire a training from, acquire the skill from people who have been doing it before. Somebody who has been doing it before, you have to acquire it, sign apprenticeship with the person, follow the person for some months, depending on how your ability to learn, and before you know it, you started making money. So like I said when I was treating the artworks, I told you, when you start, your family members who have the intentions to build houses will be looking at you, and one day when it's time for them to give you the job, they will call you. Oh yeah, she na plumber you be that time. Oh yeah, come check estimate, we go take carry water enter my house. That's your first client. So your first client can even be your brother, can be your father, can be your mom. As far as you're able to cash out, that is it. Plumbing has to do with, I think I have some basic skills with water runs in the direction of the joint. Like if there's a joint and there's another pipe entering the other one, so water should flow in the direction of the one that is entering, not opposite direction, so that it will not cause leakage. You know, people who arrange, who connect soccerways, those are plumbing businesses, those are plumbing jobs. And you can be doing that as a business person, and you'll be earning money. In fact, as a matter of fact, plumbing services is as lucrative as any other business. The demand for it is very, very high, like the demand for welders, like for the demand for artworks, like the demand for people who lay tiles. Because if you are going to work, if you are going to build your house, definitely you must need a plumber. So, plumbing is another very, very good business. If you sit back there and tell us there's no job in this country, it's very painful. When you have your brother, you have your cousin, you have a man, you have your friend, your friend's father, your father's friend that does plumbing. Stand up, get up, meet him, tell him, sir, I want to learn how to become a plumber. I want to learn how to connect, I want to learn this trade of plumbing. And before you know it, you started making money. That is one very, very lucrative business. Give it a try. Give it a try. If you have listened to volume 1 to volume 8 and you have not seen anything, give plumbing a try and become a plumber today. That is that for plumbing services. Another one we have for number 2 is online publishing. Yes. Online publishing. Those of you who have phones, smartphones, you have 5,000 friends on Facebook. That's your first market for online publishing. If writers know that when they put stuff in your platform, you get a lot of people to read, I'm starting making money. I'm talking to those of you slay queens. who probably have slaved now. Now you have so many men, so many boys, so many people on your platform. You drop one slave picture and you get 1,000 likes. My dear, that can turn into money for you. Can turn into money. If you drop a simple video and you get over 1,000 views and you are not making money, my dear, that's under utility. So you can become an online publisher with that. Just take 1 or 2 skills. Take 1 or 2 lectures on how to become a publisher, and you make use of that number of friends you have on your Facebook. As a matter of fact, most of the sales that are done in my house, property that I'm selling, I got most of those clients on Facebook. Like, none of them knew me directly. Okay, this, no. It's by putting it on Facebook. So, you have those people and you are still poor, there's problem. There's problem. So, these are one of the 50 simple business that you can do. Online publishing. You can also publish news. You go to all these known newspapers, you copy them and come and put in your wall. People will read them. And when people start to know that, oh, when I'm scrolling this guy's page, I can see latest news. People will be looking out for that news. They will look out for it. And before you know it, you are growing your fan base. And when you grow your fan base, before you know it, people can start to pay you to publish their works. Yes. Online publishing, a very, very good business. So if you have a smartphone and every time you do one video to put on your page, you snap in one picture, slip picture, start to do online publishing. Publish people's jobs. When people bring out works, tell them, sir, I have enough fans on my page. Let us publish it for you, and you pay us so and so. I say, okay, let's give it a try. So the person drops his platform on your his materials on your platform, and he gets results. He's going to pay you. As far as he has his number there, hello sir, I'm in need of so and so copy of your books. I saw it on so and so platform. Yes. You can also call it referral business, but that particular one is online publishing. So I don't publish people's readable materials, video materials, any kind of material, educative materials. If they are being published and the creator has value, gets credit, gets money from putting it on your platform, you will get paid. So this is also another line of business. Then you need 1 or 2 ads to promote your page. You need 1 or 2 ads online to promote your page, to promote your fan page, so that people can also see it, see anything you drop there. That is very, very cool. You don't even have to go to anywhere. You can sit in the comfort of your home and do online publishing business. You can be a driver, you can be a stay-at-home mom, you can be a worker, you can be anybody and do it. It pays. I don't know if you understand. So, next time somebody tells you there's no money, tell the person, have you tried online publishing? You have so many friends on Facebook. When you drop stuffs, when you drop pictures, so many people come to acknowledge that they've seen it. Why not use it as a medium to drop materials? You drop people's materials, people will pay you. That's that for online publishing. The next one we're going to is wallpaper. I don't know if you know about wallpaper design, wallpaper crafts. Those people who use wallpaper to design your sitting room, your living room, your office, and so on. That's about a good business. It's a part of finishing, an apartment finishing, an office finishing. You know, after the plastering, they come and use wallpaper, apply gum, and apply a very, very good design. It will look as if it was painted. No. As a matter of fact, the last time I heard about how much that a wallpaper craft person is being paid, I was told they are paid about 5K for one room workmanship. So if you do that every day, and probably you get 3 or 4 people to work with in a week, you have earned 15,000 naira in 1 week. So, wallpaper craftsmanship is also a very, very good business. Look out for where they sell it. You don't even need money, because whoever is going to employ you or use your services is going to pay you for workmanship and materials. So you don't need money to go there. You don't need money. It's very clear. Get biro and paper. Measure the square meters that the person will be needing. That will be needing you to cover up with the wallpaper. Then you go to where they sell it. You pay. You get you get advance payment or mobilization from the person who is contracting you, or from the person who wants the job, and you get there. You pay, bring it, and just apply it. I know this one also needs a little bit of skill, but I think with less than 1 month, with anybody that is doing it, you should be able to learn, no matter how dumb you are. Yes. So it's easy. It's easy. Like in Benin, they sell bulk wholesale wallpaper at Akpapa Road. You can go there. Familiarize with whoever is selling. Let the person know, sir, I want supply for so and so, and they give you. You go and do your job. When you are paid, you come and pay. So this one also need you to know how to do it perfectly well. And it's also another good business you can do with little or no money. Don't know if you understand. So wallpaper, wallpaper craftsmanship, wallpaper. I don't know how to really call it, but those who does wallpaper, application of wallpaper, it's a good business. It's a good business. That's that for wallpaper. The next one, for number 4 for today, is air ticketing. Air ticketing. People who buy air tickets. Yes. They are more like agents. They help you buy. It's not difficult. Put it on your wall. Put it on your Facebook wall. Arik Airline for today, 26,000 naira, Lagos to Benin. Chachangi Air, Lagos to Benin, 24,000 naira. Air Peace, Lagos to Benin, 36,000 naira. You put it there. You can even, after you know the price from the company. If they charge 26,000 naira, you can put your own for 28,000 naira. And a lot of us want to travel. We don't know how to get this air ticket. We don't even have the time. Oh, sometimes before you get to the airport, you might get there and they tell you the ticket is sold out. So, if you are a vendor of air tickets, like you help people get air tickets, my brother, you go. You started making money. You started making money. So if you supply me today and I love the way I got it, I'll refer another person. Oh, just call this man to book a ticket, and it does everything easy for you. If possible, if after doing it you can get it, prepare the ticket, get the printout, take it to the person in his house, and present it in form of well-packaged envelope, sir. Your ticket to Benin from to Lagos already available, sir. For those of us, for some of you who have money, you can buy it up front, because airline ticket tend to be cheap when it's bought ahead, 1 week ahead. You can buy it. Then when it's time, you start to sell it out. Yes. You can also, some airlines recognize the job of air ticket agents. So they give you some leverage, they give you some considerations. Okay, as far as you're able to get 20 people, we'll give you a discount of 20%. We'll give you a discount of 10%. Those 10%, they will translate into money for you. So, what are you doing with your smartphone? Go online. Arik Airline. Oh yeah, go to contact us. When you get to their site, go to contact. You contact them and send them a mail. Sir, my name is so and so, my manager of so and so. I want to become an agent to your airline. Simple. Oh, you want to become an agent? Yes. Okay. You should be able to deliver so and so number of tickets. No problem. Before you become an agent, no problem. You can get your money, buy all those tickets, and keep. There are some rush hour sales. You can start to sell. For one ticket, you can make as much as 10k. You can make as much as 5k for one. You can make as much as 20k for one. I don't know if you understand. So, buying and selling of air tickets or air ticketing or air ticket agents is also another lucrative business. In fact, as a matter of fact, the last time I was to go to Calabar from Lagos, when I got to the counter, the tickets were all sold out, and I had to be in Lagos that day. So what I did, I just got somebody. Is there no how I'm going to? Is there no way I can get on the next flight? And I had to look. Okay, there's one agent, and the agent was called, and he had a space. I paid, and before you know it, I was logged in. I was checked in. So, because I was so busy, I could not go to the airport. I could not even go online to get it. I was able to employ the services of an air ticket agent. And that day I got on that flight, and I was able to meet up with my appointment. So, air ticketing is also another very, very lucrative business. Let me tell you, your first customers, your first clients, those are the people, your friends on Facebook, your friends on Instagram. Yes. Your family, your family friends, your family, your brother, your sister. Those are your first customers. Those are your first clients. Those are the first people that will tell people, oh, I got my ticket from so and so. Go and buy from him or her. So air ticketing is another very good business. And that's number 4 for today. The fifth and the last one for today's volume is mobile food sales. Yes. Mobile food sales. This people that push truck, cooler, put cooler of rice, cooler of stew, cooler of spaghetti, rubber of spaghetti, buy nylon, buy some set of plates. Some even use I don't know what it's called, but in Benin it's called a beer bar. That leaf, that wide leaf, the food, the rice, and it's very, very delicious when you are eating it. The food, it's izoko. They call it izoko. You package it well, cook it. Make sure the food is sweet. You can take lectures on how to make good stew, how to boil rice. You can take lectures. Take the lectures. You have the wheelbarrow in your house. You have the cooler. There's no how you don't get. If you don't have the cooler, ask your mom. Your mom has. If your mom does not have, ask your landlords. Ask your landlord's wife. Ask your landlady. Ask your neighbor. They have coolers. Start with that first. Take 1,000 naira. Buy one rubber of rice. Buy tomatoes. Buy pepper, onions, oil, and before you know it, the stew is made. Boil it. Put it outside your house. And right food is ready. People will come and eat. Let me tell you another very, very important fact about this business is that everybody must eat food. And a whole lot of people are becoming too busy nowadays that they don't even have time to turn on their gas cooker in the house. Even me as a family man, there are sometimes I buy food. Yes, now, sometimes your wife might be too busy with office work. And it's better to come back and come and put her head in that kitchen. No. So, mobile food sales is a very, very lucrative business. In fact, as a matter of fact, you can never go hungry when you sell food. You will be able to feed any other person you want to feed if you sell food. Mobile food sales. It's a very good, it's a lucrative business. Carry that wheelbarrow, make that food, put it on that, dish the rice inside the cooler, put the stew inside another plate, put another thing there. Buy plates. With 500 naira, you can get a set of plates that you can use to serve your people. A dozen of spoon, some normal spoon is 200 naira. So what I'm telling you, with less than 5k, you have invested. You have started making money. So, if somebody tells you tomorrow there's no job in this country, tell the person, have you tried mobile food sales? When you cook the food, put in a wheelbarrow, and push to your next door neighbor, push to the marketplace, push to that motor park around your area, that keke marwa park, that backpack, push it there, and you see one or two people will eat. It's a very lucrative business. And food business, mobile food sales has come to stay. Nowadays we find young boys with their gamers, soft looking boys, selling food. As far as you are cashing out, that's the most important thing. You can also make your own stew different. Oh, the conventional stew is groundnut oil stew. You can make your own pepper oil stew, and people will know you for that. Pepper oil stew. That's where you will be able to create your own market base, your own fan base on that, based on that. As a matter of fact, if you don't start, you will not know that it's lucrative. If you don't start, you will not know that you'll be able to take care of your family doing it. If you don't start, you will not know that you can become a landlord, you can become a house owner, you can become a car owner doing all these things. That's what I'm telling you. It's not difficult. So when somebody tells you there's no job in this country, tell the person to keep quiet and go and watch 50 SBN. I'm telling you. As a matter of fact, if today you start, before the end of the day, you will see how much you have made. Before the end of the day. So, mobile food sales, another very, very lucrative business. Start today, and you will understand why I am telling you it's very lucrative. So, with that, we come to the end of today's volume 9. Like I said, the last volume is next week for 50 SBN, and after 50 SBN, we'll be introducing another series, which is businesses you can do with 1 million naira. I'll be telling you from that, business you can do with 5 million, another business you can do with 10 million, another business you can do with 100 million, another business you can do with 1 billion, another business. So we'll be aligning it one after the other, because a lot of people are saying, oh, this business wey dey call so na akara business. What about people who have like 1 million? Yes, stay tuned. Next Sunday we'll just be introducing a tip of the iceberg, then we'll start fully the upper Sunday. But this is the 9th volume of 50 SBN. We'll be rounding up the 10th volume next week Sunday, and after that we'll bring up people who have done these businesses and have turned their lives around by doing it. I don't know if you understand me. Thank you very much for listening for today's edition. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button. If you have not clicked the notification button, click the notification button. Then share this video to your friends. Share it on your WhatsApp contact. Share it on your Facebook. Share it and let people watch. When people watch, they will be able to turn their lives around, and they will be very, very grateful to you for sharing. Once again, my name is Mr. Osaudia Elvis Ahano. I want to thank you. I want to tell you to follow us on our Instagram page, Make10 Art. Follow us on our Facebook page, Make10 Art, and like our videos. Give us a thumb up if it was helpful. Leave your comment at the comment section. Leave your questions at the comment section so that we will treat it when next we are coming. Thank you very much for coming today. And once again, peace. I'm out.